Yeah. Hi, Liz.
Hi.
Hey, girl, hey. This is what we will be building today, friend. This super duper cute little what?
Vehicle.
Unicorn.
That's it.
Okay, it's kind of hard to understand your stuff. That's okay. We're working on it. We'll get there. This is a super easy build for kids. All right, friend. These are the pieces that you will need to build your unicorn. So if you need to find bricks, now is the best time to pause, find your bricks, and come on back. We'll be here. There we go. Let's get started. Or we could say, what do we normally say, Liz?
Pitter patter, let's get at her.
Pitter patter, let's get at her. There you go. Good.
Oh,
Be careful, watch your fingers. Alright, we got the hooves and then the legs. What's next, Liz? What's next, girlfriend?
this.
Alright.
Oh, he fell down. I got it down.
Good job squishing it down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm so glad you remember to squish it, because it helps.
What's next?
Next.
Look how my face is here.
Uh-huh.
The tail. It's a tail.
Yeah, how cute, indeed.
Just do it. Like this. I can't tell that.
Oh, there you go, I got you.
Oh my god. What no, I can go down.
You got it squished? There you go. Okay, good, very good. Oh, yes. Got the blue one on there. Let's do its face. Here, let's scooch over a tiny bit towards this way, because I feel like we keep hitting the lights. Let's go. Getting tall.
Yeah, do that. I didn't do this.
No, we don't need to right there. Do we?
No.
No, what's missing?
So, just go here.
There. Why don't you build the face first and then plop it on there? I think that'd be way easier, right? Maybe? No?
Oh,
Okay.
I do it.
That's fine.
Yeah, and then I just I do it.
Oh,
I do it just look at all of me.
okay, go on, girlfriend.
Yeah, he's like cookie.
Oh, wow.
What?
Whoa. Let me break you. You rebuild. It's okay.
I will put it. I hold it, Bobby.
Mm-hmm.
So I can get. So I don't Katie. Yeah. Okay.
Look at the eyeballs.
Other side. Whoa, what the? I need to hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it.
Mm-hmm. How cute is that?
He look like her.
Okay. You got the eyeballs. We got. Oh, I think we need something on top of its head, right?
Yep. To put it together. To do it together.
Good. Very good.
So yeah, we go. Yep. That way yellow piece go.
It's a what?
That way yellow piece go.
That's where the yellow piece goes? Yes, it is.
That's where the horn go. Oh, the horn's pretty.
The horn is pretty. It sure
Yeah.
is.
Oh.
Are we done?
Yes.
Oh, look at that! Ta-da! Oh, that's so amazing! You're the best. Does our unicorn have a name?
Holy buckles.
Sparkles.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I dub the Sparkles the unicorn. Dink dink.
Yeah, wait, it's just a horse. Her horse they colors.
Her horn changes colors.
So like that.
Okay, cool.
And I did pink.
Awesome. You're the best. Well, what do we say, Liz?
White.
Okay, what do we say, Liz?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah, some of that.
Yeah. All right. Subscribe.
Mommy.
Yeah, yes.
At the end, we have to say like cookies.
Oh. Subscribe if you like cookies?
Yeah.
Subscribe if you like cookies. High five, Liz. Yes, girl. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.